Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to print a two-page PDF on just one page. So look here, we have a PDF with 2 pages and we're gonna print them on one sheet. First, find your PDF file and open it. Mine's open in Microsoft Edge and I recommend using it. Just double click on your PDF and it will open in Edge. Then go to your print icon in the top right corner. It opens a print window. And now you have to pick the right setting. Scroll down and click more settings. Now choose your paper size. Mine is A4. And now find the paper sheet. Change it to 1:2. And there you go. Now you can print both pages on just one sheet. And then you just pick your printer and click print and you are done. That's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.